Thank you for buying this 254 door from Fixture Displays. This is the replacement part that we stock for customers who wish to replace their doors. And it has a nice drop slot on top. This only applies for our model 15254, whereas other models don't have the drop slot. Therefore, if you wish to have this feature, this is the door panel you can order. Dimensions 9.3 inches by 2 inches. And about a 1/4 inch thick. They also have a tag slot. You can order tags 15252-cars. And to replace those, you want to pull the steel rod out and then reinsert once you have the door panel in place. Just like that. And certainly you want to make sure you do so carefully. Take some time, but not difficult to do. Once you have threaded all of them, we recommend you use a rivet to stop the rod from moving. And you do need a rivet gun. Rivet gun is fairly easy to acquire, or you can use other ways to secure if you have someone on your staff that is handy. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays. Do browse our website, fixturedisplays.com.